try not to be shy. The first day of school, everybody shy. Like, everybody just shy, everybody just fool. Like, first day of school, let me tell you, we are afraid of. Because let me tell you something, 9 times out of 10, people usually don't know each other. So, like, I know you are nervous, so you don't have to be nervous, you don't have to be afraid. Just big up, be general, because we are afraid of it. Like, what are you afraid of? Confident in yourself and do not let nobody walk over you. Don't make nobody put you down. Do not answer back people. I don't know what this is about. Okay, what's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kellen. Today I'm back with the next YouTube video. So today YouTube, alright, I'm morning. I don't know why it's so dark. Good morning, people. Morning, early in the morning, 7 o'clock. Make it up, make the video. Alright. Ooh, this look nice. Alright, so today video, this look nice. You can't say this not look nice. This really look nice. Anyways, alright. So today YouTube video will be things much me know. Like if you got high school or if you're in 7th grade. Congratulations, you're watching a video because these are things I wish I know before I went to high school.
I'm trying not to.
Like, me wish me did know them things. Like, somebody couldn't tell me to watch my video. If you just got high school, congratulations. If you still got high school, you still need them tips, sir. Because me did I got high school, big old girl. I never know them here. So, you feel me? I feel like these are things I'm supposed to know. Like, but just I gotta keep it real, you know what I'm saying? Like I always do. But I will keep it real. I'm just gonna get straight to that video. Before I get in that video, I'll put this on. Before I get in that video, you don't have to like, comment, or subscribe. But just know.
I swear to God, me got a wing. Bad girl, real Jamaican, me sicker than asthma. In the music thing, me shall prosper.
Subscribe free, but you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. You feel me? Because the video not go long. We're just gonna get straight in that video. These are things I feel we're supposed to know. Alright, so let's get straight into this video. The first one I have is try not to be shy. The first day of school, everybody shy. Like, anxiety just get the best of everybody. Like, I don't know what going on. Everybody just shy, everybody just fool. The first day of school just weird. And you know, when the first day of school, everybody just look shy and new. Like, why? Let me tell you, we are afraid of. Because let me tell you something, 9 times out of 10, everybody will forward at school. People usually don't know each other. So, like, I know you are nervous, so you don't have to be nervous, you don't have to be afraid. Just big up, be general. Because we are afraid of it. Like, what are you afraid of? I'm not saying nothing because me did afraid. Me did shine. First day at school, me never look properly. You feel me? So just think about one bad people lyrics in your head. Like find someone motivate you for the first day of school and try to keep that in your head. And try not to be nervous. Just don't be nervous. What are you afraid of? Them enter a new school, you know, nobody don't know each other. And this is the best time to try to make friends. So the first one is try not to be nervous. Know your principal and your VP and your secretary. Whatever their name there is, know them people there, because I'm tell you something. It's an embarrassing sight, and it's an embarrassing moment when you throw joy and somebody say, like a teacher walk in your room, right? Your classroom, right? And you do that sit down with your friend. Your name Pamsy. You Pamsy, like, can you carry these books to the VP?
Somebody said.
You don't know what VP, like, that is so judgeable. Like, that I'm to me already. I'm embarrassed. Like, why you got like, I'm telling you, if first day of school or me being at high school, me never feel me have to know a VP. Because me I say, but just I go to school to learn and come back and me I know everybody from. Well, them things are me never know, but I wish I knew because a lot of embarrassing moments happen. And them things that people come to me. Carry this book to the VP. Me I say, why VP? Like, me don't know VP. Like, me don't know where office there. You know, so try to know where the office, know your principal, know your vice principal, know them people there. Because if you don't know them, an embarrassing moment will catch you. So you have to try to know them. Sit in your class and mind your business. Teacher go say, carry these books to such and such. You not gonna sit down looking like you're idiot. Don't know who such and such. You feel me? So just get up and try to know everybody before the school, before you're in a midlife school. Because in a midlife school is season. So the next one I have is take your dream serious. Take your dream serious. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying take your dream serious. I mean, like, where you really want to be, like, focus on it for you, because school is really somewhere you can build your dream. And not even though when we did at school, like, you never really build my dream. But you know what I'm saying? Still take your book serious, you know. Just match up a crime. Do what you have to do. Focus on your book work. Do what you have to do. Like, you know, it's nice to get one leap sticky in your book. It's cute, you feel me? As me say, we are keep it real, you feel me? So we start with the little average them, so we will get right in our deep in our depths. So the next one we have is don't let nobody talk over you. Let me tell you something. I mean, like, no make nobody feel like they're upper than you. Like, don't shrivel on yourself for nobody, because I wish I know this stuff before I got high school. Cause them go like you cannot talk back to nobody. If you talk back, you're not gonna graduate. You know, they make you feel like you can't go on with yourself. So me, I tell you, say, do not let nobody walk over your high school. You feel me? Yeah, do something, do something, be boy, like get a self-esteem. You see when you confident in yourself, be confident in yourself, and do not let nobody walk over you. No make nobody put you down. Do not answer back people. Don't let nobody let you feel less than who you is. You feel me? Me not say God school go flip up on nobody, but pick people there school. So you have to just put in your head back. Say yo, you know. God school general, don't make nobody walk over you. Feel me? Don't let nobody walk over you. Do not let nobody walk over you. No make nobody walk over you. Don't get it? Get it? Do not let nobody walk over you. Be yourself. Do what you have to do. Myself, can't nobody walk over you. I tell you again, don't let nobody walk over you. Don't do it. So the next one you have, like I'm just said, be yourself. Be yourself. Do not try to be like nobody else. Be yourself. Like, not try to be like nobody else, general. Be yourself. I see best you is the best. Like, if you try to be like somebody else, who I got have time to be you? Be yourself. Like, do you? Like, I feel like if you want class clown, be a class clown. Cause every school need a class clown. Don't be a nerd. Like, you. Don't be a nerd. Don't be fufu. Don't be a nerd. Like, don't be dumb. Common sense, like, have sense. You feel me? Like, don't be a nerd. I don't know if you explain not being a nerd or don't be a nerd. I don't know if you explain that. But that's just common sense. Like, act like you have sense. Don't annoy people neither. Be nice. Next one you have is be nice. Be nice to people, because you don't know what people are going to their yard. You know what I'm saying? Don't be mean to people. Be nice. Be nice. It's nice when you're nice, you know. It's when you have... You're not just be nice because you want to be nice. Because when you be nice, look on this one, it's shine on my face. Wow. It's when you be nice, it carry you a long way. So when you already grew up and left school, people at school remember about nice things what you do. You feel me? So just be good. Have a pure heart. Now go to school so upon nobody, because I don't know nobody make you come late. You know, don't go to school rough up and bully people. Don't do that. You. If you're a bully, you're sick, my stomach. If you're a bully, you're just you. Who bully? You. Do not bully nobody. You feel me? Be nice. Don't bully nobody. Because you don't know what people are going through. You feel me? Like, if you bully you. Like, you. If you bully... like, me hate bully. Me do not like bully. Like, if you're a bully, just get away. Bye. Cancel. Next. Me not like bully. Like, who is a bully? Who but you? Alright, go in activities. Let me tell you something. School is not about bookwork only. School is not about strict rules. Go in activities to have fun, because remember, this is your childhood. Same way, you know, you're growing up. You're gonna need memories, right? So you have to go in some activity. Even if you don't have time for that, go in some activity where you can build memory, where you can laugh, but where you know, joke. You know, your member say, one time I run on the court and I drop my crap up my knee. And Shakira run and come pick me up and fling me over the volleyball court. I run up a track and field and I drop and bust me. You feel me? You want niceness. You don't just want girls school come back, girls school. Like, no, that's just a good stress. You know, you want like fun in your life. You feel me? Because when I was doing track and field, it was fun. It did fun and it did fun. It was just fun. So go in activity. The next one you have is make friends. The first day of school, try make friends. Because the first day of school, sometimes a friend them will make your first day of school. Sometimes I leave with them, I go be your friend if you reside here. Or sometimes at them, I go be your friend if you reside school year. If you reside school term, if you reside your life. Sometime. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? But pick your friend wisely. You know what I'm saying? Well, match your energy. You know what I'm saying? Like, try make a friend. Don't be dry. Don't be stuck up. Just go try make a friend. Try make a friend. You feel me? Go out there, try make a friend. Be a general. As I said, don't be shy before. You know, go out there, try make a friend with somebody. You don't have to be friends with teacher. People feel like because you got school, everybody has to be teacher's pay. You don't have to be the teacher's pay. Cause when I was going to school, I didn't even have a favorite teacher. Sorry, but I didn't have a favorite teacher. Me just got school. You don't have to be friends with teacher. You know why you need to be friends with teacher? Like people always be like, oh, be friends with teacher. You don't have to be friends with teacher. You at the end of the day, it's about you as a human growing. Because let me tell you something. School is the best day year. School is the best time of your life. You're gonna try to make it fun as possible. So you don't have to be friends with teacher. And at the end of the day, you still can be friends with teacher, but you don't have to. Me, I tell you this personally. Take pictures and make video. Take picture and make video. Because I remember one time, like what heap of fun things me do up at school. I'm not take no picture, I'm not make no video about it. I'm hurt. Like I just my brain off your member back. I want me to try my people. I say, Pumsy, you remember how they run ground at level S or 10B? I say, no, I don't remember. I say, oh gosh, I should not record. I didn't know. So me I tell you now, record, make a lot of video. And remember, if you use Snapchat for record, if you use to take picture, remember your password. Because when you grow up, it's going to be needed. You feel me? Memory. Create a lot of memory. It's your childhood. People make it seem like it's only school. No, it's your childhood. You have to live it. You have to love it. So take all the picture, make all the video. Be fun. Be yourself. Do not be afraid to go in what you like. Because I know sometimes you're nervous, you're scared. You're not going at that because your friend not going. Go in there. You feeling me? If you feel like you want the drama, go in a drama. Don't go in what you want. If you want to go in football, if you want to go in netball, you want to go in track and field. Don't, because your friend are going to leave and you are going to do it by yourself. You don't want to go. Go in what you want to go in. You understand? School is fun. Have fun with it. Don't stress your brain. You know what I'm saying? Like, do what you do. Don't bust your brain. Not because you go to high school, that doesn't mean World War III. That doesn't mean nothing. Not because you go to high school, that doesn't mean. People used to stress me about high school, make me think high school is one bag of pesa. High school is not that deep. High school is regular. High school is school. It's just regular. You feel me? Just go to high school, create your memories with your friend, do what needs to be done. You know what I'm saying? Have fun. It's your childhood, as I said 39 times. The reason why I'm not saying about no book work, not another video like that, because I know the first day of school when I go boom, everybody go tell you, take your book serious, take your book serious. Everybody take book serious, take book serious. But nobody not tell about the fun you have to have, like if you realize that your book, this is your childhood. You know what I'm saying? Like you're 30, you're young. Your childhood same way. You're still a pitney. You're little youth. You're little juvie. Feel me? You're little juvie. So you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So nobody not really tell nobody that. Everybody tell book. What about the fun? What about your childhood? This is your childhood. I'm not tell you. You feel me? So look more. Thank you so much for watching this video. The next video I will be doing is a video in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. As I said before, you don't have to subscribe, but you don't know say subscribe for you don't know strips. You know what I'm saying? No? So hopefully this video is helpful, and love and respect, and big up yourself. Go for your dream, no matter what age it is. You know what I'm saying? So little more, and share this video to somebody who I got high school. Anybody at all, my business. So little more, little bit, and that's it. You know what I'm saying?
So I don't want no bad vibes, nice people on my side. I'ma tell you how it is, cause the truth I never hide. Tell you how it is, I'ma tell